how to add photo in video on Capcut. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can add a photo as an overlay on a video in Capcut video editor. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you want to do is you want to simply open up the Capcut application, tap on new project option, and here you want to select the video that you wish to add the picture on. I'll just select this simple video from my device here, right? Now what you want to do is at the bottom you can see various options. You want to select the overlay option. Once you select the overlay option, simply tap on add overlay, and here you want to head into photos section and you want to choose the picture. Now I'll just choose this picture right here. You can select multiple pictures if you want and simply tap on add. Now once you tap on add, you can resize it here if you want, and you can add it similarly. So you can see, and you can blend it, you can animate it, you can cut it out, you can replace it if you want, and you can add styles to it as well. So this is the way you can add a picture on video on Capcut. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.